Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to give you some tips for managing all the email that you're going to get from me. First of all, I'm sorry that I inundated your inbox so quickly, but because of the way I organized Google Classroom, I needed to set everything up this way. So here's a suggestion for how to get ready to have an efficient inbox. Number one, I think you should be creating labels. So your inbox probably looks a little bit like this. So if you select the emails that you see from me, like this, and then I'd like you to create a label. Label as, and then you can give it a name. Say iPoll, and you could create that label. And so now you see they all have labels here. Now, you probably want to put them somewhere because you're going to want them, maybe once you've seen them, out of your inbox and over here in your label. So simply go over to this next one here, move to, and you can put them all in your label. So now when you want to refer to something, you've got them all here. You can also set up a filter, and let me show you how to do that. So to set up a filter, open up one of the emails and click on these three little dots, and it'll say filter messages like these. And so this is from Google Classroom. You see that it's got no reply, so it's definitely Google Classroom. And then you can just create your filter over here. And now you can decide what you want to do with it. Do you want to skip the inbox and archive it? Well, I don't suggest that because you should be reading your email. Do you want to star it? Do you want to put a label? And let's say choose the label iPoll. You can forward it, delete it, etc. All of these things. And then create your filter. Now, the next time you get an email coming in from Google Classroom, it will arrive in your inbox with a star and a label on it. And once you've read it, then you can just move it right over to your Introduction to Psychology online filter. And that's just one more tip for how to really get organized. That's it, folks.